Hi everyone. Today we're going to learn about different animals. We're going to see where animals go and we're going to pretend to be animals and we're going to see what animals like to eat. Are you ready to play with me? Awesome. All right. First, we're going to start over here. I'm going to show you some different animals that I have. I want to know if you know what animal this is. It's a chicken. Can you tell me again? Chicken. Good work. What about this one? It's a duck. Quack, quack. What is it? It's a duck. What's this? Goat. Tell me again. Yeah, it's a goat. What's this? It's a baby chick. Good job. All right, we have 5 more animals that we're going to look at. I wonder if you know what they are. What's this? Pig. Tell me again. Pig. Good work. What is this? A cow. Open mouth really big. Cow. Cow says moo. What is it? Yeah, it's a cow. What animal is this? Sheep. Tell me again. Yeah, it's a sheep. A sheep says bah. What about this one? It's a turkey. Good job. Tell me again. Turkey. What is this animal? Horse. Tell me again. Horse. It's a horse. A horse says neigh. All right, look at this. Where do all of these animals live? At the farm. Or I could say in the barn. All of these animals live at the farm. Let's start up here. Let's see who goes at the top of the barn. Who do you think that is? Do you think it's a place where a chicken goes or a place where a pig goes? Who do you think that is? If you said chicken, you're right. Let's tell the chicken to fly into the barn. Let's tell it. Chicken, fly in. Louder. Good job. The chicken flew into the barn. Let's see who this is right here. Do you see this one? Is that a horse or a turkey? What do you think this is? Who goes right here? If you said turkey, you're right. Let's tell the turkey to fly into the barn. Turkey, fly in. Good work. Now the turkey is in the barn. Let's see who this is. This is an animal that lives in the barn too. He says, or oink, oink. Who do you think this is? Do you think this is a cow or a pig? Who is that? If you said a pig, you're right. The pig goes in the farm. Tell the pig, say, come in, pig. Good job. The pig is in the barn. Let's see who goes down here. Do you think this is the cow? Yes or no? Yes. Who is it? Cow. Tell me again. Cow. The cow is going to stand on the grass. Tell him, say, cow, come on the grass. Good job. The cow is on the grass. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more animals that we need to put in the barn. Let's see. Who do you think that animal is? Do you think that is a duck or a goat? Who do you think this is? If you said duck, you're right. Say it again. Duck. Good work. Here's the duck. Let's tell the duck to go in the barn. Ready? Duck, go in the barn. Now the duck is in the barn. Who's this guy in the middle? Do you think this is the goat? No, that's not the goat. Do you think it's the sheep or the horse? Who is this? The sheep or the horse? It's a sheep. Yeah. Let's tell the sheep. Say, come in, sheep. Come in, sheep. Now the sheep is in the barn. Let's see who this is. Do you think this is the horse or the chick? Who is this? The horse or the chick? If you said the chick, you were right. Tell me louder. The chick. Good word. Let's tell the chick to go in the barn. Say, chick, come in. Great work. Now the chick is in the barn. 1, 2. We have 2 more left. Let's see. We have a horse and a goat. The horse and the goat. Who do you think goes right here? Is it the horse or the goat? If you said horse, you're right. Tell me again. Horse. Yeah, the horse goes right here. Good job. Here's our last one. Do you remember what this is called? It's a goat. Tell me again. Goat. Good job. Here's the goat. The goat is going to stand on the grass. Let's tell the goat. Say, goat, stand on the grass. Good work. Now the goat's standing on the grass. Look, how many animals did we put in the barn? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wow, show me 9 fingers. That's 5 on one hand and 4 on the other. We put 9 animals in the barn. Where did we put the animals? In the barn. Who did we put in the barn? The chicken, the duck, the turkey, the sheep, the chick, the pig, the goat, the horse, and the cow. You guys did an awesome job putting all of those animals in the barn. Now, I need some more help from you. I have some animals over here, and they are super duper hungry. Do you think you can help me feed them? Let me show you which animals I have. Here they are. Let's see. I have, whoopsies, there we go. I have a dog. Can you touch the dog on your screen? What does the doggy say? Woof, woof, woof. Yeah, I have a dog. Here he is. Look, there's the dog. What do dogs eat? Bones. I'm going to feed the doggy the bone. He loved it. He says, thank you. Who else do we have? Can you touch the elephant? Here he is. What do elephants eat? They eat peanuts. Can you say that? Peanut. Yeah, elephants eat peanuts. And they go like that. Let's give the elephant a peanut. Ready? Thank you. We have 2 more animals to feed. Who should we feed first? The bunny or the monkey? Let's feed the bunny. Can you touch the bunny on your screen? Here he is. The bunny loves to hop around. Can you hop around like a bunny? Hop. I can hop like a bunny too. Whoa, do you know what bunnies like to eat? What do they like to eat? Bananas or carrots? They like carrots. Let's feed the carrot to the bunny. Ready? Ooh, thank you. We have 1 animal left. Who is it? It's a monkey. There's the monkey. What do monkeys like to eat? Yeah, bananas. Tell me again. Banana. Banana. Yeah. Let's have the monkey eat the banana. Here he goes. Thank you very much. Wow, you guys did an awesome job feeding all of the animals. Let's do it one more time. I'm gonna pull up a food and I want you to tell me who likes to eat that food. Let's see if you can do it. Are you ready? What did I find? It's a carrot. Who likes to eat carrots? You can touch it with your finger or use your words and tell me. Who likes to eat carrots? The bunny. Who? Yeah, the bunny likes to eat carrots. Ready? That was delicious. Thank you. Hop, hop, hop. Great work. All right, let's see what's next. What is this? It's a bone. Can you tell me that? Bone. Tell me again. Bone. Good sound on the end. Who likes to eat bones? Who do you think? Dog. Yeah, the dog likes to eat bones. There he is. Should we give the bone to the dog? Yes or no? Yes, let's give the doggy the bone. Thank you. He thought it was delicious. He loved eating the bone. We have 2 more to do. Do you remember? What is this? It's a peanut. Tell me again. Peanut. One more time. Yeah, the peanut. Who likes to eat the peanuts? If you said the elephant, You're right, Elephant says. I love peanuts. Nom, 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 nom. Let's make the elephant eat the peanut. Thank you, thank you, thank you. How many foods do we have left? Just one. I wonder what it is. What is it? Banana. You tell me. Banana. It's a banana. Do you like to eat bananas? I like bananas. They're yummy. Which animal? Who likes to eat bananas? If you said the monkey, you're right. Let's make the monkey eat the banana. Yum, yum, yum. I love bananas. The monkey really likes bananas. I think we made him really happy. Well, guys, thank you so much for playing with all of my different animal friends with me. You did a great job, and I hope you have a great rest of the day. I can't wait to see you again soon. Bye.